Hello everybody and welcome back. Welcome to this presentation from Samuel Stremsdoerfer, who is CEO of Jet Metal. And Samuel is going to give us a presentation on ultra-thin and eco-friendly selective metallization processes. As always, we'll be doing questions afterwards, so please do leave them in the sidebar. And I'm now going to hand over to Samuel.
Okay, thank you, Chris. First of all, I'm quite very happy to have the opportunity to introduce you my company, the technology and the application that we are developing into the printed electronic worlds. So first of all, let's introduce you Jet Metal. So Jet Metal, it's develop and provide a unique spring metallization process for decorative and functional coating. This technology was developed in 2000, at the end of 2000, and in a French laboratory. Today, the company gets 43 employees. We have 6.5 million of turnover in 2021. We have quite a huge application of patents, a lot of R&D into our lab, and we have some more than 100 granted patents and pending patents. And we have different kind of customer in a lot of different industry, from decorative side to functional side, but I will explain that. The business model of the company is moving. At the beginning, we start as all new startup to sell the technology through equipments and chemicals, and since 2 years we start to develop the metallization services for a bunch of worldwide customer into the different kind of business application. We have, as I mentioned, different business offers. So the first things is that we develop equipments and industrial lines. So we have a specific team which develop the equipment, implement the equipment to the industrial facility, assembly and set up the equipment. The second thing is that we are a chemical company, so we develop all the chemicals, organic, metallic. We have also work on the specific waste treatment management, because we can recover all the chemical of our process. One of important thing is our customer. We are very customer oriented, and we have a specific team who take care about the equipment into our customer plan. And as I mentioned, since 2 years, we start, because of our customer asking not to purchase from us the equipment and install the equipment into their facility. They ask us to be able to provide the metallization services. So we built some facility in Europe. We have a platform close to Lyon, and we are building a platform for production in Mexico for the US area. The timeline, as I mentioned, we established the company in 2007. At the beginning, we start directly into our first business, which is the decorative side and decorative application. We use the metallization process to highlight the packaging of the substrates. So we dedicated and we focus on this business during the 10 first year of the company. And during the 10 first year, we became the leader into the glass metallization. And since 2020, we start to develop the JetSelectiv technology, which I will expose you. And we focus now on the functional coating business with the metallization services business model. As I mentioned, we have two main business. One is the decorative application, so I will not spend a lot of time on that, even if we realize 85% of our turnover on this area. But I will focus on the functional coating business, because we have a lot of different application and a lot of potential into this area. I have to mention into the decorative field, we made a great success. Into this field, we mix organic